This is actually how I sound right now. This is why I'm not doing a video or anything with voice right now, as my throat is fucking killing me. And this is what I sound like for now. I'm like speaking at full volume, I promise. I literally cannot speak any louder than this. Like, hello, I am speaking normal. This is not my voice, by the way. This is not my normal voice. It is literally because of my terrible ass throat. I am still healing, yeah. But I'm like, okay, I guess. Hospital visits aren't like the coolest thing ever. I mean, to be fair, that was my first hospital visit. But yeah, this is how my voice sounds right now. There's gonna be no effort in this video due to the fact that I don't really want to put effort into this, as I want to take the day off. Fuck everything